Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this LED barn light for viewing purposes. So let's open it up. First thing we see are the user manual with all the steps to install it, albeit in a wall or into an arm, which I think it's really nice having that option, placing it on the proper wall, an arm, or a post, whatever you want to place it. I think it's going to do an amazing work. And as you can see, it comes really well protected with foam, which I think is really great. We have in here the power cord and the main unit. Okay, we have all the pieces that we need to assemble it and to install it, which I think is great, also for doing the proper wiring. And we have the base. Okay, this one you can place it upon the post or arm where you want to place it and fasten it with these screws, or angle it like that, or however you want to angle it, which I think it's going to do a really nice job. Okay, which I think it's great. So, well, let's go ahead and assemble it, set the angle that we are gonna use. And to set the angle, we have the main unit screw right here. I wanna place it at our desired angle. I'm gonna place it kind of like this. And now we have it at a fixed position, which I think it's really nice. And we have in here a hole so we can pass through the cables and hide them, which I think is really nice. So let's go ahead and, well, install it and let's see how it looks. Okay, come on.
The installation process is actually really simple. You just place some screws, like kind of like doing a base, and do the proper wiring, which I think it's, well, doesn't take that much long. As I've said, you can angle it, which I think it's nice. That way you can have a larger area being covered by the light. And something that I think is great about these lamps, it's that they are heat and frost resistant as they are for outdoors. It has a back heat dissipation system, so you don't have to worry about it overheating, and you can use it on your barn, your garage, your front door, even at the side of your swimming pool.
Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and it's really bright. And as you can see, well, it's already nighttime. So as you can see, it clearly brings a lot of light to where you want to place it. And I think it's really nice. It looks amazing. It's really powerful. I must say that it looks almost if it was daytime over here. I think that's a great function. And overall, I like it a lot. It was really easy to install it, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.